Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be giving an old PC some new life by cleaning it up and putting it in a new case. This computer belongs to my friend Dan. He recently started streaming on Twitch and needed a new computer and found a really good deal on this one used. It's got a 5th gen i7 processor and a GTX 760 GPU. His plans to upgrade the GPU in the future, but for now, the computer works for his needs. The problem is that this PC is in the largest, most overkill case I've ever seen. And to make matters worse, the power button is broken, so to turn on the computer, he literally has to take off the lid and touch these two wires together. So today we're going to take this computer and move its components into the Phanteks P300 case. I also have some sleeved cable extensions to clean up the ketchup and mustard going on inside this thing. So let's go ahead and put this thing together and see how the build turns out. Well, that's it for this one. I'm really happy with the way this build turned out. We spent less than $100 for the case and cables, and it looks like a brand new PC. If you like this video, go ahead and click that like button, and let me know what you guys think about the build in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.